How many times have you heard the request to switch off your electronic devices during takeoff and landing? Does it make you wonder why? Does it really interfere with the aircraft's navigation and communication systems, or is it just another urban myth? Today, we're going to dive into the misconceptions and truths behind this common practice in aviation. Often, the first thing that comes to mind when asked to switch off electronic devices is the potential interference with the aircraft's systems. While there is a kernel of truth to this, it's not quite as straightforward as it seems. Electronic devices, especially those with wireless signals, can indeed generate electromagnetic interference. However, modern aircraft are designed to withstand a significant amount of such interference. The main issue lies not in the possibility of a single device causing problems, but in the cumulative effect of all passengers using their devices at the same time. Another reason behind this directive involves the physical safety of passengers. During takeoff and landing, any loose object, including electronic devices, can become a projectile in case of sudden deceleration or turbulence. By asking passengers to stow away their devices, airlines ensure that the cabin remains as safe as possible during these critical phases of flight. Furthermore, the use of headphones during takeoff and landing is discouraged to ensure that passengers are attentive to the crew's instructions. If an unexpected situation arises, it's crucial for everyone to be able to hear and respond to the crew's directions promptly. Now let's talk about flight mode. This function, available on most electronic devices, suspends all signal transmissions, thus reducing the potential for interference with the aircraft's systems. In recent years, many airlines have started to allow the use of electronic devices in flight mode during all phases of flight, including takeoff and landing, thanks to advances in aviation technology. So, to summarize, the guidelines for using electronic devices during flight serve a dual purpose. On one hand, they help to minimize the potential electromagnetic interference with the aircraft's systems. On the other hand, they ensure the physical safety of passengers and enhance communication during critical phases of flight. The adoption of flight mode allows passengers to continue using their devices while mitigating potential risks. Understanding these guidelines helps to enhance the safety and comfort of every flight. So the next time you're asked to switch off your device or put it in flight mode, remember the reasons behind this request. It's not just about the plane's systems, it's also about ensuring a safe and pleasant journey for everyone on board. In the world of aviation, safety always takes precedence. And as technology continues to evolve, so too will the guidelines for using electronic devices during flights. So, stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe during your travels.